Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video of color series nail art, and this is my last nail art from this nail art series. In today's video I am going to do nail art inspired from Looking for Alaska book cover. So without any further delay, let's start with my today's tutorial. As a base polish, I have applied 2 coats of a black polish on my nails, and yes, it's a black themed nail art. After that, I am going to stamp a daisy flower using Ejiubas stamping plate. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Here I am removing one flower petal from the flower using a toothpick because book cover is like that. And now I am stamping the flower on the sides of my nail. And let me tell you that if you have these types of gaps after doing stamping nail art, then don't worry, you didn't ruin the nail art. Just simply fill those gaps using a same color nail polish or acrylic paint. That's it. Here I am drawing a fallen petal beside of the flower just like the book cover. Now I'm going to fill up the center part of the flower using yellow acrylic paint with help of a toothpick. Now it's time for the candle and smoke. For smoke, I am applying some acrylic paints mixed with water with help of a flat nail art brush. I have mixed water and paint in equal amount. Now let's heat the color for few seconds and then soak the water from the color on your nails with help of a dry nail art brush. After that, using another wet brush, just smudge the edges of the smoke. And then I have drawn a candle with a purple color at the bottom of my nails. On my index and pinky fingernail, I have applied 2 coats of a picture polish Talisman. And finally, I have finished my menu with a glossy top coat. And here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed my video and enjoyed my this nail art series. Before you leave my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and share my video with your friends. See you in my next video. Bye bye.